All right, so normally I would use a box cutter, but as you can see, the box arrived wet, pretty beat up. We'll see the condition that the cooler is in when I open it, and I'll run you through all the different details versus the other wheeled cooler, the Yeti Tundra Hall. All right, so this is how it comes out of the box. This is in gray. Trying to see if there's any signs of damage because the box was in such horrible condition, but luckily that was the bottom of the box. And so here it is, the Yeti Roadie 60 in gray. You know, I'll be honest with you, I expected it to be a little bigger, a little taller. Just what you see online, you expect a super tall cooler. And so when you open the cooler, you see it's got a new ring inside. It does come with a Roadie owner's kit. It does talk to you about other available accessories. Now, I did order additional accessories. It does not look like they arrived. They're not in the box, but it does come with the dry goods storage. So that's new and clear. In the Tundra Hall that they had, they did not include that. I had to buy one third party. You see they do have a cup caddy. This is called the dry basket, which comes with in a divider. And so you can see they provide the slots for the divider inside of the cooler. I am interested to see how the latch works on this Yeti, because one of the challenges you used to have with other Yetis is just the way the latches fell, they would get in the way. So it looks like these clear the way. They say it's one hand locking. Oh, you do have to peel it and lock it into place. And so that seems to lock pretty well. The handles are really good. Let me go with the telescopic handle here on the side. So pretty easy to push in, very light to roll around. Again, you know, my impression of this is I'm used to the Yeti Tundra Hall, which is significantly wider and has a handle on the side. This is more like luggage. It does feel very, very smooth when you roll it. I like the latches. I like that you open it, the latches stay out of the way. When you close it, they butt out. You do need to go up and lock them into place. I'm pretty impressed with this cooler from what I see so far. Oh, one thing I did want to highlight as well is the drain. So this drain is different than other Yetis, which means I'll likely lose this drain and I can't replace it with my other drains in stock. So it looks a little different. The old Vortex cap had a hole in the middle and on the side so water could drain through those without you fully removing the cap. I'll have to do a water test to see if you have to remove the cap fully to drain, but from everything that I've read online, the placement of this drain and the new drain cap makes it so that you can drain water easier from this cooler. So far so good. We'll see how it works as we use this here in the hot Florida sun.